Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most useful topics in German, possessive pronouns. Words that show ownership are called possessive pronouns. Look at these examples. Mein Buch, my book. Dein Auto, your car. Sein Hund, his dog. Ihre Tasche, her bag. The words mein, dein, sein and ihre show ownership. Possessive pronouns answer the question wessen, meaning whose. For instance, wessen Buch ist das? Whose book is that? Das ist mein Buch. That is my book. Wessen Hund ist das? Whose dog is that? Das ist sein Hund. That is his dog. So whenever we want to show ownership, we use possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns come from personal pronouns. Look at the pattern. Ich becomes mein, du becomes dein, es becomes sein, ihr, sein. Wir becomes unser, ihr becomes euer, and sie becomes ihr. Think of possessive pronouns as the ownership version of personal pronouns. Instead of talking about a person, they tell us what belongs to that person. For instance, whenever something belongs to I, use mein. Mein Hund ist groß. My dog is big. Mein Auto ist neu. My car is new. Mein Lehrer ist nett. My teacher is nice. Use dein when talking to one person informally. Dein Hund ist süß. Your dog is cute. Dein Haus ist groß. Your house is big. Dein Freund kommt heute. Your friend is coming today. If the owner is singular and masculine, use sein. Sein Bruder wohnt in Berlin. His brother lives in Berlin. Sein Auto ist rot. His car is red. Sein Name ist Thomas. His name is Thomas. When the owner is singular and feminine, use ihr. Ihr Hund heißt Max. Her dog is called Max. Ihr Vater arbeitet hier. Her father works here. Ihr Buch ist interessant. Her book is interesting. Unser means our. Unser Haus, our house. Unser Lehrer, our teacher. Euer means your when speaking to more than one person. Euer Hund, your dog. Euer Zimmer, your room. And capital ihr means formal your, just like große. Ihr Auto, your car. Ihr Name, your name. And now the most important rule. Here is where German becomes a little different from English. Possessive pronouns change according to the noun that follows them. Mein, meine, dein, deine, sein, seine, ihr, ihre, and so on. Let's understand them individually. For many masculine nouns in the nominative case, we often use the basic form. Mein Hund, dein Vater, sein Bruder, etc. Mein Hund ist freundlich. Dein Vater arbeitet viel. Sein Bruder studiert Deutsch. Feminine nouns take an extra e, so that mein becomes meine, dein becomes deine, sein becomes seine, ihr becomes ihre, and so weiter. Meine Mutter kocht gut. Deine Schwester ist nett. Ihre Tasche ist blau. Neuter nouns usually keep the basic form just like masculine nouns. Mein Kind, dein Handy, sein Buch. Mein Kind schleppt. Dein Handy ist neu. Sein Buch liegt hier. All plural nouns whether they are masculine, feminine, or neutral. Take an extra E. Meine Bücher, deine Freunde, ihre Kinder. Meine Bücher sind interessant, deine Freunde sind lustig. Ihre Kinder spielen draußen. This is one of the most important patterns to remember. Let's summarize it quickly. Notice the pattern. Masculine and neuter noun use the basic forms of possessive pronoun, whereas feminine and plural nouns take an extra E. Always check the noun after the possessive pronoun. The noun decides which ending you need. Let's check our understanding of possessive pronomen. Solve these worksheets and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box, and we will get back to you if there is any correction. Also, try making your own sentences using possessive pronouns. The more you practice, the more natural German will become. Thank you for learning with us today. Do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video where we are going to learn possessive pronouns in accusative case. Until then, goodbye. Tschüss.